My name's James Rood, and I'm the head sea gardener. Welcome to Zanzibar, and the site for my NGO / Marine Research Centre by the name of Bahari Kwa Wote. Bahari Kwa Wote literally means oceans for all. And this centre will be a guiding point for the whole of Zanzibar to sustainably manage all of the marine ecosystems in Zanzibar and further afield. Now, as you can see, I picked a hell of a site. We've got some beautiful mangroves directly in front of us here. Further out, we've got some seagrass, some beautiful seagrass. And then a little bit further out, we've got corals. Now, I'm going to be setting up a research centre here, building it myself with the help of several builders and local architects and whatnot. And then I'll be setting up survey sites, research sites, mangrove, seagrass, coral. You'll all be coming with me. So, yeah, welcome to Bahari Kwa Wote. Okay, here we are. I'm going to take you on a little site tour of the Seagrass Centre. Beautiful spot here. We're just having it surveyed at the moment. You'll meet the surveyor. She's wonderful. I like her very much. Okay, so we'll start with the boundaries. We've got a little bit of a road here. The boundary runs here along the road. A lot of construction going on here today. Lots of construction. This is the first boundary here. FKS 12, something like that. Okay, and then it heads straight down to the water. Okay, we've got a beautiful bike. This is my primary mode of transportation. She's fabulous. Okay, and so we run along the road here. Keep going, keep wandering along. Lots of construction. Nice big road for people to come and park and see the seagrass. Okay, a bit of coral there. Okay, this is the other boundary here. Another plot next door. Lovely spot, straight out to the mangroves. Okay. And we'll head down to the dead tree. I was very disappointed. They chopped this tree down. I think she must have been huge, a beautiful tree. We might make it into a feature. We'll make it into a feature, lovely feature for the NGO here. Got one palm tree, looks very healthy. Beautiful spot. What else have we got? A couple of bushes down the bottom. Okay. And heading further down. Oh yes, down to the mangrove pool. Down to the mangrove pool. Beautiful spot here. I'll take a little trip in the water, show you about the mangrove pool. Oh, very cold water. Lovely. Now, down there is, you can actually reach the sea. It's beautiful. It really is. Maybe on a kayak. It gets a bit tight, but we'll work it out. You've got a lovely pool for relaxing in here. Beautiful. And then the boundary of the plot pretty much is to this rock here, goes straight up to straight up to that white point that I showed you. All right, we're going for a walk down the mangrove outlet. This takes us directly to the sea. A very beautiful sea it is. I'm hoping we can throw some canoes down it eventually and get some eco-tourists to come and enjoy this beautiful mangrove ecosystem. This is some new mangrove propagules here. That little spot's growing out there. That's good. We like that. We like new growth. We like new growth. Lovely spot. Lovely spot for a canoe down here. I'd say it's about a 20-minute canoe from here to the ocean. A nice sandy bottom as well, so it's not. It's pretty easy to do. Not going to injure too many people. Gets a little tight here. Not going to lie, for the old mangroves. Might take a bit of canoeing for some of the less skilled canoeists. Oh, she's getting a bit deep. We're about waist deep now. About waist deep. A bit tight here. Should probably still get a canoe out. Maybe chop a couple of these saplings back. Lovely spot here, lovely open little geyser, opens out. You can see lots of fish, baby fish swimming around beneath me. Beautiful little fellas. Now obviously the tide's going out here. A bit rough underfoot. Okay. Tide's flying out, ripping out here. Yeah, right. Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, lots of little fishies there. You see the little fishies? Okay, and this is where it opens out into a large lakey bit. This is where it opens out quite a bit. You can get a bit of speed up down here. As you can see, this is where it opens up. And you can get it out straight to the sea. There we go. Mangrove tours and excursions for well-meaning students. Magic. Hello folks, here we are. Yes, now I'm here with Mary. We've talked a lot about Mary and having the area, the plot surveyed. She's wonderful, a friend of CPS's and Barutis and all that sort of stuff. Welcome Mary. So tell us what you're going to be doing.
Hello, my name is Mary, as he said, James. I'm a land survey, registered surveyor in Tanzania. Mm-hmm. Yes, I'm here today. I get this beautiful opportunity to do the topographic survey and study for this beautiful plot. What we do exactly is we just gonna measure and get details about the plot, including the topographic, how the levels different in this plot. You can see the beautiful from the result, from the highest the highest level to the lowest near the mangroves. And then we also get details like boundaries, dimensions in each corner of the plot. And also we're going to put some details. As you can see here, we have a beautiful coconut trees, few of them. So also we're going to include on the ground. Also, you just have not only see the varies of levels, but also you can get a picture, clear picture, how actually it looks from the top to the lowest part and how the level difference in measurements, in numbers.
Ah, yes, and I checked her work before, and she seems very professional, and she negotiated on the price. So we're gonna use her. She gave us a little discount. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And I will send over the details when they come in, maybe the end of next week.
For sure.
And then we can start designing with Baruti and Farhan. And then we'll take it from there. But thank you very much, Mary.
Thank you, James.
And a pleasure.
It was a pleasure meeting you.
All right. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Zanzibar's beauty isn't just what you see above the water, it's what thrives beneath it. From the seagrass meadows that feed endangered dugongs to the mangroves that shelter young fish and the coral reefs that burst with life. These ecosystems are the heartbeat of the Indian Ocean, but they're under pressure. Unplanned coastal development, pollution, overfishing, and climate change are threatening the delicate balance that sustains both nature and livelihoods. Every tide, every mangrove, every patch of seagrass plays a part in protecting our future, storing carbon, cleaning water, and supporting communities. Now is the time to act, to study, to restore, and protect these vital blue habitats. Because saving Zanzibar's marine ecosystems isn't just about preserving nature, it's about ensuring life for generations to come. Follow us and save Zanzibar's coastal marine ecosystems with Bahari Kwa Wote.